Hello, everyone. My presentation entitled is about the research investigation for organic agriculture towards sustainable development goals. I am Kasem Soytong from Thailand. Most of my research work over 30 years ago, mainly I have supported by the International Foundation for Science, or IFS Sweden, for 8 years, and after that my research support by Third World Academy of Science from Italy, and from Russia, from China, from Philippines, from Vietnam, and from Japan, and also from Thailand, to support my research work to find out the biological products to be used instead of the toxic chemical pesticide or toxic chemical agriculture. So in terms of we are doing research to find out the biological products to be used as the agricultural input for organic production. It is the one of the sustainable development goals is to maintain food safety and security to serve human beings for good health and long life. Organic agriculture would be paid attention in each country through making the strong policy by government and politicians, as well as scientists, farmers, consumers. Organic agriculture production is non-toxic agrochemical application from the field products to the customer in the market. It is a crucial period of changing from the conventional and chemical agriculture to organic agriculture. It serves the sustainable development goals toward clean technology which benefit for the world. Research and development in organic agriculture are urgently needed to investigate the biological products as the agricultural inputs for organic agriculture. Bioremediation products can be firstly applied to remove the contaminants, pollutants, toxic substance from soil and water, and also surrounding environment. Bio or microbial fertilizer with high nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, as well as other plant nutrients naturally in organic substance provide to neutralize soil for proper plant growth and for plant uptake, like for example lime, dolomite. And other thing is we talk about the biochar may also be provided the agricultural benefits to increase soil fertility and crop productivity. The bionutrients are used for plant growth and stimulation, provide the agricultural benefit for the farmer. And the biofungicide are applied for disease control, for example Chitomium, Trichoderma, Cleocadium, and others. Bionematicide for nematode control are also needed for the plant that infected by root knot nematode or other species of nematode. Mostly we have been used the Physellomyces, Dactylella, Verticillium, Arthropods. For insect control, the bioinsecticides are used for repellent or kill specific insect, like for example the Metallizium, Bewillia, Icelia. Another thing is the very challenge of our research investigation is about the biological herbicide for weed control, using specific strain of the Colletotricum mycorrhizum, and now the biological herbicide not really coming out in practical field yet. Anyway, the other techniques would be indicated as the we can use the herbs or medicinal plant for disease control or for insect control. Use the plant extract, and other technique like control practice, crop rotation, intercropping, mulching, organic amendment, solarization, wood vigar, pheromone, the natural pheromone, and insect trap. Nowadays there are many samples that has successfully cultivated organic crop and delivering to supermarkets. Moreover, the organic agriculture includes crop and animal production. organic seed production, organic animal feed, organic food processing, and so on. Lastly, the organic certification is the most important and urgently needed to promote the market demand and to guarantee or trust or reliable for the consumer. As we know that the organic product, the price will be higher than the chemical one. And if we think about the toxic chemical that's resident in the agricultural products, that is more dangerous to human being. So we can pay more organic food, consuming organic food. I think it will be safety and better than pay for medical. That is. I think everybody know very well about this. We talk about the agrochemical. That means the agriculture that they have been done for years. The farmer have been used the chemical fertilizer, chemical pesticides, and after on we can see that toxic chemical not only residual in the product, in vegetable, in fruits, and others, but also they destroy our environment, unbalances the ecosystem. So after for some time, in most cases in many countries I have been visited, the insect pests and the pathogen will become resistant to those toxic chemicals, and let the farmer use more and more, something like that. And the protection cost is increases, and at the same time the soil become low fertility. So overall we have to turn to the organic agriculture in present day and in the future. The sustainable development means saving energy to reserve the environment friendly and to produce safety and healthy food. Agrochemical has been used as the chemical fertilizer, pesticides, and other synthetic chemicals for crop and animal production to increase yield in short time, but dangerous to human health and destroy our environment. Organic agriculture for sustainable development is a new practical technology to contribute the research finding of biosolution products for non-agrochemical production. If we looking from the history of agriculture, over 100 years ago, the farmer have been used the chemical fertilizer, chemical pesticide, and all synthetic chemical to increase yield. And after for some time, we have known that I said the most important for human being is the toxic chemical is residual in the products. So the consumer let the human being get the disease like cancer, high blood pressure, and other heart disease and other. So every country try to reduce or decrease the toxic chemical. Then after that they will check the minimum concentration of those toxic chemical, not more than standard. That they call GAP or good agricultural practice. That means GAP or GAP, the vegetable and fruits and agricultural product still have the toxic chemical inside the cell. So it's not really guarantee that will be the safety. So another step that I like to see that we call pesticide-free production or PFP. Pesticide-free production, that means the farmer really stop to apply the chemical pesticide. That means chemical herbicide, chemical insecticide, and chemical fungicide, and other synthetic chemical to be used for crop production or animal production. But the farmer still use a chemical fertilizer. That is This step we call PFP, or pesticide-free production. Maybe in this step, maybe it's the transition period to be organic agriculture. Today, I'd like to propose that one thing that if we are going to do the organic crop production or organic agriculture, how the farmer can be stopped the agrochemical immediately. Sometimes it's not too easy or it's really difficult. So they can move to this step first, pesticide-free production. And after that, we teach them how to maintain the soil fertility and others. And during the time, after they can stop the chemical fertilizer application and pesticide. But in the soil, they might be have the toxic residue in the soil. In this period, no agency go to certification. So in this step, we can say that this is transition period to be organic agriculture. We should talk this step should be called non-agrochemical production, or NAP. That means the farmer they stop to use the agrochemical. And after 1 year or 2 years, 3 years, the chemical that toxic chemical residue in the soil may be gone or maybe less and cannot find in the agricultural product. So the last step is organic agriculture that we are talking today. Organic agriculture, that means we have been plant or the production without the agrochemicals at all. But the farmer will be use the biofertilizer, biopesticide. That means bioherbicide, bioinsecticide, and biofungicide, and other techniques. The research investigation that I said, I am one of the researchers that have been done to find out the bioreson products to be used instead of the organic chemical. I have many staff from many countries, and we work together. So today we have the bio product for disease control. We have chitomium biofungicide, and the other organisms like Trichoderma, Cleocadium, Bacillus subtilis, and other for disease control. And another research finding is we have the atomic metabolized small particle metabolized that act as elicitor for plant immunity. Another product is about nematode control on bio-nematicide. We also found the effective Pseudomyces verticillium, Dactylella, and so on. For insect pest control, we have been found the Metallizum bevilia to be used as a biological insecticide. And another thing is many scientists have been working on the Bacillus thuringiensis, or BT. That is also really effective control some specific insect that and very powerful. The other is about the messidron plant or herb extract like neem oils, and others can repellent or can kill insect as well. Another thing is natural sulfur or natural oil, white oil can be controlled insect also. I will show you the other technique for insect control. So the bioproduct for plant growth and give a good yield. So that means we have biofertilizers with different formulation. Biofertilizer with high nitrogen, high phosphorus, high potassium. That I have done, and others bionutrient for the plant nutrient, and bioremediation to get rid of the toxic chemical out of the soil and water is very important. And also we concerning about the organic matter, amino protein, humate, and biochar. This research finding can be used instead of the chemical. The agricultural inputs which certified with the biological product are acceptable applied in organic farm like biofertilizer, biopesticide, including net house control practice, crop rotation, intercropping, compost production, mulching, medicinal plant, herbs for indicated disease and insect pest protection. The research investigation of biological products have been gathered related to organic farmer that I have done. It's about the biofertilizer, biofungicide, bioinsecticide, and other bioproduct, something like biodecomposer, compost production, biofertilizer with high phosphorus, high potassium, and also biological nutrient. And lastly, it's about the microbial metabolites for disease control and induce plant immunity. So another thing is for the insect control, we can use a neem seed extract, medicinal plant or herb, repellent plant like marigold, repellent nematode, light tap, yellow tap, pheromone without chemical, natural sulfur, solar radiation, naturally wood vinegar, or naturally extraction of the chitosan. There are other techniques, control practice, intercropping, organic amendment, and also maintain the soil pH, mulching organic matter, and soil revitalization. I have been work about the microorganism, including fungi, bacteria, looking for the beneficent one to for the disease control, and after that we also promote the organic vegetable or organic crop production. So in many countries. So this is organic coffee. Before this organic coconut I have done in Myanmar, and this is organic coffee. I have I'm the consultant in Laos. So this is organic tea that I have done in Vietnam and so in China. So at the same time we also have the organic agriculture model that I sacrifice this work for the Association of Agricultural Technology in South Asia. So we also do the organic and also certified by BioAgriCert from IFUM. We also have done about that. So we can say that now we have the biofertilizer used to be different formulation used to be instead of the chemical fertilizer. We have the biofungicide like Chitomium, Trichoderma. We have bioinsecticide, bionematicide, bioherbicide, and also plant growth promoting microorganism, and as well as that I'm now doing research on the organic seed or organic animal feed, and this is very important in the future. And also mushroom production can be included in organic, and also do research for resistant variety, but without GMO, naturally selection. So for the animal production organically, we have the organic animal feed. We must do research on the organic milk, organic beef, organic shrimp, organic chicken, organic egg, organic food processing, and also looking for the organic market. So I have done the different formulation of the. This is I will not talk in detail, but I can say that we are going to promote the organic crop production. We have to adjust the soil pH proper to plant growth. Like for instance, adjust the soil until pH 6, and also add the organic fertilizer, something like that, and use plastic sheet to like soil sterilization to control the seed of weed and some plant pathogen. And after that, we make the soil very well. Soil will become good soil, or we call organic soil. The organic soil, that means soil will be high fertility, high organic matter, neutral soil pH, and good drainage, and will be high organic matter is about over 10%. So not less than 5%. So that is been be successfully. So the most important thing is we have to adjust the soil to proper the pH of the soil should be proper for the plant growth. So if pH 6.5 or 6.8, they can absorb the naturally nutrient very well, and plant will grow very well. This is one of my research. We call biodecomposer, included different species of enzymatic fungi that produce enzyme like cellulase, ligninase, protease, lipase to degrade organic, to degrade plant material or plant debris become organic and animal dung. So we have been promoted in Laos, in Myanmar, in Thailand, in China, or in Vietnam, and also in Cambodia. Let the farmer try to produce a good organic fertilizer. This is we are going to promote the farmer to produce the organic fertilizer. Actually, I have the different formulation to make the organic fertilizer with different formulation. That means high N organic fertilizer, high phosphorus, organic fertilizer, high potassium. We have very limited time. We can talk outside later. Just let you know what I do. So after that, we improve the soil, good pH and good organic matter, and this kind of worm will be coming. This is a good one. They will be coming a lot. That means indicator. So sometimes we prepare the plant bed like this. We have the cover for protect sunlight or some rain, something like that. So many technique, or something we mulching with the light straw or plastic sheet. This is the organic production. So another thing is the water. Water is also very important for the organic crop production or organic animal production. Should be not the water should be clean or non-toxic chemical residue in the water. We have to consider very well also. And this is just show you that another disease of plant, that is the plant deficiency. So the plant deficiency, that means the soil is not good soil. So we have to make the soil very well and the pH very proper. So we can get rid of or avoid the nutrient deficiency of the plant. This is a biodecomposer that I promoted in many countries. That I said in China, Vietnam, Laos, Thai, Cambodia, and other countries. So another thing is my work about the biological fungicide. It's about the chitomium. Actually, the chitomium has been working over 30 years until now. I still development the chitomium as the biofungicide for broad spectrum disease control. That means the many strain of the chitomium. Chitomium is a fungus, and they have produced a lot of the new antibiotic substance like chitocobasin C, lotiolino, and others. And this is can be controlled the phytopathogen like Phytophthora, Cholectotricum, and others, and also anti-tuberculosis and Candida albicans human pathogen. I have not only 2 species, I have about 8 species at least that we have published. We have done research of the chitomium. This is the chitomium globosum. We have 7 strains. We have chitomium cuplem. It's like this. This is spore. This is spore. This is culture. So this is the different kind of the chitomium species. Different kind of chitomium species that active already do research and already published that they have the make very good compounds and can anti-human pathogen and also plant pathogen as well. So this is the control mechanism of the chitomium. So I formulation this one to be liquid formulation and powder formulation. Application rate is about 50 gram or 50 ml per 20 liter of water and spray. And this is a super chitomium that we have been registration in Laos, in China, in Cambodia, in Vietnam, and this is the we use to control several disease. And also we have trichoderma. trichoderma for plant growth, and this is controlled. This is we published in Journal Mass Spectro in the year 2000. This is my strain. We got trichoderma Hasianum PC01, and this one we promote to the farmer to be used. Another product is about the bionutrition. It's about we have the low-dose and actinomyces act as the plant growth stimulant and with amino, and this is also very good product. And you can see you see this is organic. Another thing, the last one, I have the atomic elicitor microbial is for plant immunity. This is the pure compound of the chetomium and others. In each pure compound, in each pure compound, they are active against human pathogen and also phytopathogen as well. So in each pure compound, I put in electron spinning without other, so they become very fine particles. And after that, we have a lot of the fine particle, after we pass to electron spinning. And this fine particle, after we treat to the plant, they induce the immunity in the plant. We have done a lot already in chili, in tomato, in rice, in durian, in banana, in papaya, so many. This one. And this is just show you, this is for insect. For insect also we have different kind of insect control. This is they use a plastic pot during seedling state to avoid insect come to destroy. See, or sometimes they use a small net like this to avoid insect. And we also have the yellow tab, or we have predator naturally coming to our farm. Yeah, predator, a lot of predator come to our farm, friendly. And this is predator. And also you see the spider. This is not insect, this is spider. And also this one dragonfly. And we also wrap with plastic. Plastic wrap with some fruit to avoid insect, to protect insect. And also we make something like the wood viga. Also. But the wood should be come from the not from the toxic one, should be naturally. Then a lot of the material or machine to for insect trap. So many. This one also like insect trap also. But I have the biological fungicide, including metallizing and bevelia, to control some insect, specific insect also. And this is already promoted in many countries. This is and also bionematicide. I also have for insect control like milorgai, root nematode. And the research contribution for organic agriculture. So after that, I have become the consultant of the many companies to produce the organic crop protection, and also we it will be certified by BioAgriSearch IFOM and sent in supermarket in Thailand. And we also have the organic agriculture farm in Thailand to be the let the people come for training. And also I go to give a presentation in Vietnam, in many countries about the organic agricultural production. This is in China. We have the my bio product in China. This one, and this is promotion in Thailand. Only member in Thailand to produce the organic crop protection and deliver to the company and send in supermarket. And also I accept the training program, training students from many countries, like from Laos, Myanmar, Cambodia, Philippines, Indonesia, Vietnam, and others, even from Russia. And I also invited to promote organic agriculture in China. Like we have the we do the tea, organic tea in China. And this is I go out to promote the farmer how to produce the organic fertilizer, use the biodecomposer. This is in Vietnam. This is in Thailand, in other. And teach them how to improve the soil, how to prepare the good soil for organic crop production. And this is explain or presentation to the farmer how to use the bio products. And then some of my bioproduct also certified as the agricultural input by AgriSearch, by BioAgriSearch IFOM. And this is the organic papaya. Let you see organic onion, and this on you see this organic. Okay, just long bean, cucumber, kale, that is, and also the mushroom production. And another thing is we also concerning, or we are doing research on the organic seed production. This is we try to study on the sweet corn seed and other kind of seed, the organic seed. That is very important when the farmers when they are starting to do organic, where they can find the organic seed. That is very important. I like everybody think about that also. We should do research more and help each other. And also we also promote the organic chicken and organic egg in some area in Thailand, and also organic pork, organic pig. Now that means we have organic pork. Now we have the SDGs organic farm model in Thailand that I have sacrificed this farm to be for training and for do research on organic in practical way. We have about 10 hectares. I welcome everybody to visit my farm also. So we also have this is in my farm also doing the organic sweet potato and others. So the most important one is about the organic certification. As far as I know, there are about different level in country level. We can say country organic certified, and the most famous one all over the world, that is the International Federation of Organic Agriculture Movement, or IFOM, that certify organically certified by BioAgriSearch, Organic USDA, JAS from Japan, and other. And Association of Agricultural Technology Institute, or SC, also start for organic certified, but not too much work. So the SC is a non-profitable organization that I am the president, and we are doing research how to do the how for the crop and animal production without agrochemical application, something like that. We are a group of scientists from about at least 18 countries, and then every year we have a meeting. This is the SC. We try to help the people. We are going to 35. That means that we try to promote the people to do the organic, just like that. And this is just some example that the SC certify organically in some farm. The regulation is almost the same with IFOM and organic USDA. And so organic production would manage after the market demand. The organic shop and home delivery would also be start for marketing promotion. The training center for organic agriculture would be organized at organic farm to gain knowledge, basis commercial scale. That is very important. And this I do this on the organic flour in China, and after that they are dry and they can drink for health. And this is the organic tea in China that I have done. And this is in Cambodia. I also promote. And now I'm working with some company in Thailand that mostly we prefer the IFOM or BioAgriSearch for organic certified and sell in supermarket and also export to some country. So now this is the organically. How is this? It's not. I think the quantity and quality can be as the same as the chemical one. Thank you for your attention. I would like to give special to the organizing committee to support and organize this conference successfully. And thanks to all participants. Thank you. สวัสดีครับ